Hello traders, welcome to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinla King. I am daily instructor. So guys, in this video I want to show you how you can trade better with support and resistance and trend line. You understand? So forget about trend line. What I'm trying to figure out is that how to use support and resistance with the trend. You understand? So we know at the support level the market buy, while at the resistance level the market sell. But if you can position these two perspectives in a trend direction, it will be more effective. You understand? What am I explaining? We know markets move in trend. We have three way where a market move. You understand? Markets move in downtrend, uptrend, and when the market is ranging. You understand? So when the market is trend, what do you look out for when you are trading support and resistance level? When the market is trading down, you look for resistance, and when the market is trading up, you look for support level. So in this chart, we are saying this is boom 500. You understand? So I'm going to explain how to pick out a resistance level at this particular downtrend, then and how to get your entry. So guys, let's go. You can see that the market is trading down, so you don't need anybody to tell you that this is downtrend. It's very clear. This is 4 hours time frame. You understand? Two candle or three candle beside each other on 4 hours time frame is going to form a support or resistance level at a lower time frame, like 15-minute time frame. You understand? So once you see a multiple candles ranging in downtrend, you understand? That is a resistance level. When you see it in uptrend, that's a support level. Like here now, it form a support resistance level. Sorry, though this is also a support level, but this is downtrend. We are only concerned about the resistance level. You understand? So how do you trade it? Let's assume I come across this particular market at when the market is ranging in this level. You understand? So I will just bring out my rectangle, then I will pick out this resistance. You have to cover the wicks too, so the close of the bodies and the wicks, the eye of that resistance level. Let's pick the immediate one. I can see another one here. You can see the market is also ranging at this level. Then what do? You go to lower time frame. You understand? Like 15 minutes time frame. I like to enter my trade on 15-minute time frame. So if you're on my Telegram channel, you will know I like to enter trade on 15-minute time frame. You can see that this is a massive resistance, a very strong resistance level, and you can see this on 4 hours time frame. Now it's left to you as a day trader. Let me break the chart to the session breaks, like as a day trader. So you should be able to have this on your chart. This is each day chart. Like yesterday, you will have get an entry. Yeah, it depends on the entry pattern you are using. So if you are using like double top, you'll have get an entry here. If you are also using like head and shoulder pattern, this is head and shoulder pattern, you will have get an entry at this particular rejection. You understand? So you'll have make this profit yesterday. This will have been yours yesterday if you know how to trade with this particular strategy. Now we are here today. We picked this strategy on my Telegram channel this morning. So and though it come back to it, our broken even, you understand, because our target was here, but we see a reversal. You understand? So the price has been planning to also come back again, which we may find another entry. If I we can see something like double top, then we go short again. This is going to be our first TP. Then we hope the market come down to this here to this level. If this particular trend, the general trend of 4 hour, which is downtrend, is going to continue, it has to break this level. You understand? So that is the um mission. You understand? So that is the target. When this that particular trend is going to continue, it must break the lowest low before the retracement. You understand? So let me show you the second one we mark on the 4 hour time frame. That has been done already. So assuming we got this, you understand? So depend on the pattern, like I already said. So if you're using a shadow pattern, you'll have got an entry from here. Though if you're scalping, you'll have caught some bank some profits for yourself. Or if you're trading long, it's possible the price come back to hit your break even, because this is has give you a massive profit. You understand? You should be able to break even your trading. You understand? So another trading was yesterday. You understand? So if you are using double top, you'll have got an entry yesterday. Sorry. Yes, yesterday. Abi? Oh no, this is a long time back testing. You understand? So you'll have got your entry another the following day with double top here. You understand? You'll have bank all this profit to this lowest low. You understand? Before the retracement, you'll have bank it. You know, this is the lowest low before the retracement. So if the trend is going to continue, it's actually going to break the lowest low. See how a massive the profits will have been. You understand? So see how massive the profit will have been. You can see that. You can see that. You can see that. So, guys, this strategy is very, very simple, and it's simple only when you know it. What you should just take note is that the markets move in two way. When the market is going up, it's move like this manner. You understand? So when you go to the higher time frame, and you see that at the end of the retracement, you are seeing something like this. The market is ranging like this, it's ranging like this, like this. So you go to the smaller time frame, you pick out this level, you understand? Once you pick out this level, you go to the smaller time frame and you buy to this level. You understand? You buy to this level because if this particular trend is going to continue, it should actually break this level. That is how simple it is. Then when you are trading down trend, it's just the same thing. You know, the markets move in this manner, retracement, impulse move, retracement, impulse move. And when you see at the end of retracement, you see something like this. This is what we just did now. So you just go to smaller time frame, you mark out this level on a downtrend, go to smaller time frame and you buy to this level. You understand? This is how good this strategy is. You understand? I want you to go to your chart as a if you're ready for trading business, you understand you should be able to use trading if you buy now to analyze any type of markets you are trading. If it is currency pair, that is even very good because you have an opportunity to use play and replay on the currency pair, you understand? But with the derivative market, we are limited to that, you understand? So we don't have access to premium package here, you understand? So we only available to this all these instruments here, which is also an excellent tools for you to analyze markets in a very good way. So guys, I wish you happy trading. If you are not joining my Telegram channel, just click on the link under the description of this video. So, be among the part of the family. You understand? We analyze markets together, and we drop signals every day to trade on our boom and crash markets. Though we are working on a currency pair too. Very soon, we have our YouTube channel only for currency pair. You understand? But under this channel, we only deal with derivative markets, boom and crash, volatilities, range and job DAX. So, guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible. Thank you.